English to Pashto short sentences. This is craziness. دا لیونتوب دی. This is craziness. Don't step on it. په دې باندې خپې مږده. Don't step on it. Give me your number. مال خپل نمبر را. Give me your number. Here is my number. دا دې زما نمبر. Here is my number. From here to there. د دې ځای نه هلته. From here to there. Every time. هر وخت. Every time. This is a nice place. دا ښه ځای دی. This is a nice place. For how long? د څومره وخت دپاره. For how long? For half an hour. د نیمې ګنټې دپاره. For half an hour. Can I taste it? آیا زه دا څکلی شم؟ Can I taste it? My room is big. زما کمره غټه ده. My room is big. Bring me my book. مال زما کتاب راوړه. Bring me my book. Bring me my tea. مال زما چای راوړه. Bring me my tea. All of you. تاسو ټول. All of you. All of us. مونږ ټول. All of us. Behind you. ستا شاته. Behind you. Behind the door. د دروازې شاته. Behind the door. I agree. زه راضي یم. I agree. We all agree. مونږ ټول راضي یو. We all agree. The rest of books. باقی کتابونه. The rest of books. The rest of friends. باقی ملګري. The rest of friends. The rest of money. باقی پیسې. The rest of money. The rest of chairs. باقی کرسۍ. The rest of chairs. At what time will you come? ته به په څه ټایم راځې. At what time will you come? At what time do you sleep? ته څه وخت اوده کیږي. At what time do you sleep? At what time will you reach here? ته به څه وخت دلته رارسې. At what time will you reach here? At what time will you talk to me? څه وخت به زما سره خبرې کوې. At what time will you talk to me? May I sit? آیا زه کېناستی شم. May I sit next to the window. د کړکۍ خواته. Next to the window. And I. او زه. And I. Don't worry. خفه کېږه مه. Don't worry. Nothing will happen. هیڅ نشته. Nothing will happen. Who all. څوک څوک. Who all. Don't think so. داسې سوچ مه کوه. Don't think so. Everything will be okay. هر څه به ټیک شي. Everything will be okay. someone will sleep څوک به وخویږي someone will sleep mop the floor پوچه ولګوه mop the floor she saw me هغې زه ولیدم she saw me with someone else د بل چا سره with someone else I was sleeping زه اوده وم I was sleeping when you called کله چې تا کال وکړو when you called how did it happen دا څنګه وشو how did it happen it happened suddenly دا سمدستي وشو it happened suddenly she came here هغه دلته راغله she came here we went there مونږ هلته لاړو we went there it's all over هر څه ختم شو it's all over that's why ځکه چې that's why what does he play هغه څه لوبه کوي what does he play he plays football هغه فوټبال کوي he plays football she kept talking هغې خبرې کولې she kept talking all the way ټوله لار all the way not anymore was نور نه not anymore how many times څومره پیری how many times how much څومره how much careless لاپروا careless and you او تا and you are also good ته هم ښه you are also good he is also good هغه هم ښه دی he is also good she is also good هغه هم ښه ده she is also good she smiled هغه مسکی شوه she smiled she cried هغه په جړا شوه she cried did you try آیا تا کوشش وکړو did you try yes I tried او ما کوشش وکړو yes I tried your move ستا پیرا your move my move زما پیرا my move what did she do هغې څه وکړو what did she do she sang a song هغې سندره ووی she sang a song د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ تھینکس فار واچینګ